Hey everybody, welcome to video 3. We're going to get comfortable with the canvas in Fresco. We're going to learn some navigation and some tips and tricks. We're going to be zooming, panning, rotating. Let's go ahead and look at our canvas. So it's just this white square, but if you take 2 fingers and like baby shark it, you can zoom in and zoom out, which is great. You don't have to have glasses. You can literally zoom in and get it right up in there and see exactly what you're doing. You can rotate it. So take your 2 fingers and you're going to rotate your hand, and that's going to give you the rotate feature. If you also click up here on the little gear icon, you can flip your canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and, for example's sake, I'm going to put a letter B here and I'm going to flip my canvas. So this flip literally is just like taking it and putting it as a mirror left to right, and then it can go vertically as well. You can also rotate by 45-degree turns, or that'd be 90. That's 90-degree turns, clockwise or counterclockwise. And then I like having the artboard preview on as well as the touch shortcut on. All right, so that is a little bit about our zoom, pan, rotate, and sizing. This little name right next to it is what the file is called, so you can name that if you want. And then this change button will take you back to that main menu that we first had open up and we determined the canvas sizing. All right, so that is the basics of how to move and navigate your canvas. I will see you in the next video where we talk a little bit more about the other features and the menus on Fresco.